Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing something very special. I decided I wanted to do a video on how to make fine, thin hair look full. I used to have really thick hair, and then in 2022 I got COVID, and then I lost like over half of my hair. So I have been learning how to style it with less of it. So this is how I've learned how to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need your straightener, a comb, and I am using the Amika Perk Up Ultra Oil Control Dry Shampoo, and I'm also going to be using the Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. You're also going to need a little hair tie or clip of some sort. I can't find my clip, so I'm just going to use this little tiny hair tie. I tried to make my hair look nice and smooth and straight, and it doesn't really work out for me. That's not really something that I can do with thin hair. With thin hair, you really want to make it look big and fluffy. So that's what we're going to be doing today. First thing we're going to do is section off the top half of our hair. That really hurt. And then just pull this up and out of the way for now. And then we're going to grab our straightener. What we're going to be doing is alternating the directions that we're going. So this first piece, I'm going to be going towards my face, the second piece away, third piece towards straightener, and flip it under, and then just pull it down. And I like to kind of twist it with my finger, and then there's that curl right there. And now I'm going to be doing the next curl in the opposite direction. So I'm going to be twirling it away from my face. And then the next strand of hair, we're going to be curling that towards the face. And we're going to do this all around the head. And now I'm going to the other side and just going to be doing the exact same thing. Okay, so now this bottom section is done, and we're gonna go ahead and work on the next section. Clearly this is kind of a mess, so I'm just gonna comb this out before we get started. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on the next section, and we're just gonna be doing the same thing that we did before. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the final top section. This final section is arguably the most important part in making your hair look fuller. Basically what I'm going to do is take all of this hair, push it forward so that it's sitting in front of my face. And I'm going to start grabbing sections from the back and then curling them in different directions. So this one I am going to do away from my face. I don't have any like specific parting or anything going on right now. I'm just sort of grabbing it. And this one I'm gonna do towards my face. And now all that's left is my bangs. You can do your bangs however you want. Sometimes I like to do a little Sabrina Carpenter moment. Flip them in like this. Sort of like that. So now that our curls are all done, it's really important that we wait for these to cool down before we try brushing them out or anything like that. So go ahead and spray them with some hairspray and then just wait for these to cool down for a minute. Now that this is all cooled down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take my dry texture spray and just spray this all throughout my hair. After that is all sprayed in, we're just gonna start raking this through lightly with our fingers. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go through my roots and spray it with the Amika Perk Up Ultra Dry Shampoo. This is the best dry shampoo on the market. And that is it. That is how you achieve the thick hair look with thin hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.